Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, HarmonicaJoe.com. So today I'm going to show you how to play Heart of Gold by Neil Young. I've had loads of requests for this song, so I'm happy to be finally making a video for it. If you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. Hi everyone, Joe here. I just want to let you know I had an introduction prepared for this video where I played my arrangement of the song and I played all three harmonica solos so that way you could hear how it's supposed to go. However, when I went to upload it, I got a copyright strike instantly from YouTube, so I wasn't able to use it. However, I do have that exact video of me playing my arrangement of the song and the harmonica solos on another video. That one does have a copyright strike. However, YouTube allowed me to keep it up and keep it posted. So I encourage you to go to watch that video. There should be a link. I'm going to try to put a link right above my head here. Otherwise, you can find it on my YouTube channel, HarmonicaJoe.com. Okay, so enjoy. Now, Heart of Gold was recorded by Neil Young in 1971. It's on his Harvest album, and the song went to #1 on the charts in 1972, which I think is his first and only #1 song. So Neil is playing a harmonica in the key of G in first position, otherwise known as straight harp. So that's what I've got here today. And I'm playing a Marine Band Deluxe in the key of G. The song's in key of G and the solos are short. Now there are 3 solos. The first one I played on the intro to this video, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So the first solo, which is on the intro to the song, it starts off with he just slides up from the whole 4 blow, which is kind of almost not even heard, but it's just kind of like just a quick slide up from whole 4 blow to blow 5 to blow 6. And that's it. Then we have a draw 5 to a blow 5, a draw 4 with a little bend on it, bend it down a little bit, back to a regular draw 4, to a blow 4, and a blow 2 and 3. So it goes like this. I'll put the whole thing together. Okay, so you have that draw 5. It's going to be pretty short. It's going to sound like that. And you can scoop into that draw 4. That's the bend. Okay? And that's how you play that part. Now the second half of that solo is, well, second part of that solo would be you blow 6 to a blow 7. Then you have a draw 6, and like before when you had that draw 5, it's going to be fairly quick. So you have that quick draw 6, then a blow 6, and then you can scoop into that draw 6 after that. So like this. So you're scooping into that draw 6, and then you have a blow 6 to a blow 5. So that whole line together . And it's okay if you're a little sloppy on these and you get a little bit of air in one of the adjacent holes. It's okay because he's kind of having, it's like a Bob Dylan vibe to these harmonica parts. So for the third part of the intro solo, we're going to play some double stops, and we're going to be all blows. We're going to play blow 3 and 4, blow 4 and 5, and blow 5 and 6. And we're going to play each grouping 3 times, and they're going to have a little bit of a rhythmic motion to it. So for example, I'll play it for you. Do you hear that? So the first one that you play is actually kind of the quietest one, and you accent the second and third grouping. And then after you play those you play 3, 4, 4, 5, and 5 and 6 together, and then you're going to draw on 4 and 5, then blow 4 and 5, and then blow 3/4, and we're done. And that would be the ending of that. So that whole third section together. Play it one more time. Okay, so let's put the whole thing together. Here's the second solo. Okay, so the second solo starts out with some single notes and then it goes to double stops. So it starts out with just a quick hole 4/5, and you're just sliding 4/5 up to hole 6 and blow 6, and you're just going to hold it out. So all three notes are blow. That's all you're going to do, and you're going to hold out that blow 6. Then you have a draw 5, a quick draw 5, just and then to a blow 5. So it's real quick, just like that. And then you have a draw 4 and 5 double stop together, and you can kind of bend that one a little bit. And then you have blow 4/5 to blow 3/4. That's how that would go. So that first section would go like this. And then we go to double stops for the rest of the solo. So we're going to go all the way up to hole 6 and 7. We're going to blow 6/7, then blow 7/8. Then draw 5/6, blow 5/6, and you're going to do that 1, 2, 3 times. And then end on a blow 4/5. So you have a little bit of syncopation there, a little rhythmic syncopation going on. So ba 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 ba. Start on blow 6 and 7. Going to hit that twice. Blow 5 and 6. Attack that twice. Blow 4 and 5. Attack that twice. Blow 3 and 4. Attack that twice. And they can be fairly short. Hear how that goes? And you want to be aware so that you don't get any air leaking into other holes on these, so that way it sounds clean. And then the last section is a little tricky rhythmic wise, but you can get it. You have a draw 2/3 to a blow 3/4, a draw 3/4 to a blow 4/5. Then you have a draw 4/5 to blow 5/6, blow 4/5, draw 3/4, and a blow 3/4. So just go back and listen to the original recording and hear how Neil phrases that last double stop phrase, because it's a little tricky rhythmic wise. All together. Okay, so now for the third solo, and this one has the trickiest rhythms, so take it slow, like before, learn it in smaller pieces, and then put it all together. So it starts out with some single notes, well, 2 double stops, and then we go to single notes. So you have a double stop of a 6-7 blow, so you play that twice. That kind of anticipates coming in onto the solo. And then we have some rhythmic single notes. So you have 7, blow 7 to draw 6 to blow 6. And you're going to do that twice. You hear how that goes? So you have blow 7, draw 6, and then blow 6. And the rhythm is so from the beginning. So that part is a draw 6 with a little bend on it to the regular draw 6. Draw 6 again with the bend to a blow 6 and a blow 4. Okay, that's how that goes. And then this is a tricky part. So you have double stops. We're going to do a 5-6 to a 6-7. These are all blows to a blow 3-4. That's how it goes. And then you're going to do a 5-6 blow, a 5-6 blow, and then a blow 3-4. So 2 5-6s and then a 3-4. So you're going to, so it kind of sounds the same. And then we have one more blow 5-6 and a blow 3-4. So that whole phrase together, the rhythm is the key part to it. Ba 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 ba. That's how that goes. Then the next part is similar to what we've had before at the end of phrases. We're going to have a draw 4-5 to a blow 4-5, draw 4-5, blow 4-5, and then 2 blow 4-5s in a row. And then end on a blow, draw 3-4 to blow 3-4. That's how that goes. Now the last part of this solo goes back to single notes and is very similar to the very beginning, where we're going to have this blow 7, draw 6 to a blow 6, and you're going to play that twice. Same as in the beginning of this particular solo. And then you're going to have the draw 6. You can put a little bend on that to a regular draw 6, to blow 6, blow 5. So you're just kind of scooping up into that draw 6. Okay, just scooping up into that draw 6 from below. Then you have a blow 6, blow 5, and it ends a draw 4 to a blow 4. And that's it for the last solo. Now, the thing to remember when playing this song is that Neil improvised this harmonica part. So when you're playing it, if you don't play it exactly the same every time, that's okay, because he probably doesn't either. The important thing to get is to try to get the rhythms close as you can, especially in that third solo. And that's a little tricky, especially in that third solo. As always, take it slow, methodically. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment on what song you'd like to work on next, and I'll see you next time.